I'm Rick Murphy. I'm the Technical Support and Specifications Director for Everest Systems. We're here on a project showcasing our EverCoat Asphalt restoration system. As with all our systems, the key to success is preparation. So we're going to power wash this roof. Once it's clean and dry, we're going to cut out any blisters, make any repairs. If we've got any areas that are saturated that have to be torn out, we're going to replace those with like materials. We'll come in and apply the Everprime Bleed Block at 1.5 gallons per square. You apply it, backroll it, let that cure. Once the Everprime Bleed Block is cured, you'll come in and treat your seams, whether with EverSeal, 3-course with fabric, or with fiber flash, to achieve 50 dry mills over all the seams. Once that product is cured, you'll come in and do your desired top coat, whether for 10, 15, or 20-year warranty. Some of the advantage of the EverCoat Asphalt restoration system are the fact that you're not tearing the roof off, so you're going to save on labor for that. You're not filling the landfills. You're going to do less disruption to your customer. And when you get done, you're going to have a white, highly reflective roof that reduces expansion and contraction and will reduce your energy costs. Contact your local Everest sales representative for more information on all of our roof restoration systems.